Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Dell S2725QC, a 27-inch 4K USB-C monitor built for clean setups and sharp visuals. One of the best things about this display is the single USB-C connection. With one cable you get video, data, and laptop charging all at once, which instantly reduces desk clutter. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for modern workspaces. The 4K IPS panel delivers a crisp 3,840 by 2160 resolution with 99% sRGB coverage and strong contrast, so colors look accurate and detailed. Whether you're editing photos, watching content, or working on documents, everything appears clear and vibrant. The 120 Hz refresh rate, combined with AMD FreeSync Premium, also makes motion feel smooth, even during light gaming or fast scrolling. Dell's ComfortView Plus helps reduce blue light without distorting colors, making long work sessions easier on your eyes. The upgraded built-in speakers are surprisingly full and clear for everyday use. It's worth noting this model is HDR ready rather than full HDR, so it's not aimed at hardcore HDR enthusiasts. Overall, the Dell S2725QC delivers sharp 4K clarity, smooth performance, and convenient USB-C connectivity in a sleek, modern package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.